This video is a compilation between Miss Loveless and Miss Rivera, and we're trying to show students how important it is and how easy it is to set up your MacBook to be organized for your classes by period. We're going to teach you how to create an alias. An alias is a kind of like a shortcut to information that may be saved in your hard drive. We can think about our desktop as like the top of our desk. If we have a bunch of stuff on the top of our desk and the wind were to blow, all of this stuff could fly away. But we could think about our hard drive as a filing cabinet where it gets locked and protected. So we're going to start by thinking about putting something in our hard drive. So I just went to find this Macintosh HD. I clicked on it and I'm going to go to my documents. Okay. In my documents, you can see that I have this first period biology. I'm going to create a second period. I don't know, over here on my yes, we'll create an English class. So over here on my desktop, I'm going to take my two fingers and I'm going to two-finger tap on my trackpad, and I'm going to choose new folder. Then I'm going to hit delete, and I'm going to name my new folder second period English 1, because let's just act like I'm a freshman. I could be a sophomore taking English 1 as well. Once I've done that, I could move this folder over into my documents, which remember I opened up by going into my hard drive. Once I've moved my second period English 1 information over here, I can two-finger tap that folder one more time. And notice here, I can make an alias. Remember, that's kind of like a shortcut. So now, if I were to delete this second period English 1 folder, everything would go into the trash. But if I were to delete this second period English 1 alias, it would still be available because it's just a shortcut. I didn't delete the actual folder. Let me go back to that. I want to show you really quickly. I could move one of Miss Loveless's lesson plans. Miss Loveless, don't forget. I just hovered over that second period English 1 folder. I'm going to drop it in there, okay? Now look how cool this is. I click on the alias or the shortcut, and look, second period English 1. There it is. Thanks for listening. Watch this again and again if you need to.